Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel, Marilette's World. It's a new week of couponing and we are at Walgreens. I have these two $4 register rewards. Let's see what we can get. Picked up these two Tide Oxy detergent. They are $4.99 each. When you purchase two, you get 3 register rewards. Crest toothpaste $3. If you pick up 2 Crest toothpaste or mouthwash, you get $3 register rewards. Picked up 1 Crest toothpaste and 1 Crest Scope mouthwash. So I'll be using this paper coupon and a digital coupon for the 2 Tide products. This Bounty Essential is $4.99 each. If you purchase 2, you get 3 register rewards. Do not do this on the same transaction as the Tide liquid detergent. So I'll be using these two $4 register rewards for these Bounty paper towels on a separate transaction. I'm back from my Walgreens run. I picked up some paper towels, laundry, and oral care products. This is my first transaction. Tide laundry detergent, Crest mouthwash, and toothpaste. This is my receipt. I used 1 paper coupon which is Tide, but the register picked it up as a Crest coupon. Also, there's a $3 off 2 Crest digital coupon and a $2 digital coupon for Tide liquid detergent. Including tax, my total is $10.60. I redeemed 5,000 points, which is equal to $5, and paid $5.60. I got back 3 register rewards for purchasing the 2 Tide liquid detergent and 3 register reward for purchasing the Scope mouthwash and a Crest toothpaste, making the cost of these products at $4.60. This is my second transaction. This is my receipt. I used the 2 $4 register rewards and the total is $2.93 including tax. I redeemed 1,000 points from the account, which is equal to $1, and paid $1.93. Got $3 register rewards for purchasing the Bounty paper products, making the cost of the 2 packs of paper towels at $7.93. The total cost of these 2 transactions combined is $12.53. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.